that island vibe. Hello and welcome to another Yotsuba manga breakdown. In this video we will be breaking down Japanese vocabulary and grammar from the great Yotsuba manga pictured over there. And as for where we are right now, where we have left off here, Asagi went on a trip to Okinawa, came back, and they're enjoying her omiyage, her presents. And then the topic of where Yotsuba came from just happened to come up, so we're exploring her mysterious origins. Here's where we're gonna start off translating for today. Mom here is gonna be our first victim. And as you may have noticed, I have just copied and pasted in the notes and definitions below me, so you can read along as I explain everything. And as always, if you have any extra questions, anything that you need further explained, please feel free to ask even further below in the comments. So mom here is, でも、あの子元気だから、Shimaの子って感じね. So demo is but, and then ano is that, ko is child. So but that kid, Genki is energy, vitality. She's a very high energy child. And then dakara, therefore. Shima is an island, and then no just links that to ko, which is again child. So an island child, a child from an island. And then te, this is the casual quoting article. I just kind of think it's like air quotes and island child. And then kanji is feeling. She's got that island vibe. And then ne is emphasis. She's like, but that kid has a lot of spirit, therefore she has the same feeling, the same vibe as an island child. 島ってどこの島? 外国なんだよね. So shima again is island, and we have the same quoting particle here. So like as for an island, doko is where, no is linking that again to shima. So like as for that shima, where is that island? What shima? What island? And next, gaikoku is foreign country, and nanda, I can assuredly say that. And then yo is emphasis, and ne, the same, agree for confirmation emphasis. So it's like, oh, it's gotta be a foreign country, right? It's gotta be. That's the only thing that would explain Yotsuba. Hidari te iteta. Hidari is left or left-hand side. Then we have this casual quoting particle again, but it's actually followed by you, so it's more of a proper quote. And this iteta is you in its te-ita form. You on its own would have an u right here, but then to make it to a te form, that u gets swapped out with a tanitsu and a te. And then you would add on an ita to make it this te-ita form, which is the past progressive, which is you were doing it in the past, so was saying. And one more note here, there is no e right here, which just makes it more casual. If you put an e here for iteta, that would be more formal, but this iteta, same meaning, just more casual. Asagi's got the right reply here. Nanda sorya. Nanda what? Sorya is like that is. It's just like the rebuttal, like what the frick is that? What's up with Hidari? That doesn't explain anything. But mom might be able to figure it out. Hidari no shima ne. Hidari again, left hand side. No, linking that to shima, island. And this ne, she's kind of thinking, she's saying it to herself. So like, a left shima, an island on the left. She's so deep in thought. She's like, oh, she's got it. Hawaii kashira ne? So Hawaii is Hawaii, and that's in katakana because this is a loan word from English. So that's why it's a little bit more angular versus its hiragana buddies right here. And this kashira is like, I wonder. And then ne, same ne, request for confirmation, emphasis. So it's like, oh, I wonder if it's Hawaii. Why would she think that? I agree with Sagi. Naze? Why? Fuku. So yo. So really you're seeming and yo adding emphasis. Just kind of like, that's right. That's so. That doesn't make sense. They both disagree with Hawaii. So she goes on to explain. Hawaii wa migi yo. Saki doesn't get it. She's like, ara, what? But I have to agree with Fuka here, with Migi, because if you would look on a map, the right-hand side is east, and if you were to fly from Japan to Hawaii, you would go east, you would go Migi. So I agree with Fuka that Hawaii is on the right, so it's maybe not that island because of that Hidari. Though maybe Yotsuba meant something completely different, who knows? But if we're talking directions, this makes sense to me. But Asagi would not agree. She's Nani yo migi toka hitari te. Nani is what, yo emphasis like what, migi right, then toka is like etc. or other things. And then hidari is our left, and te, this casual quoting particle is like speaking of left and right and other stuff. I don't get it. She don't follow. Ne, let's change the subject. Yotsuba-chan ni wa omiyage nai no? Tabun kyou mo kuru yo? So ne here is just hey. Then Yotsuba-chan is our favorite Yotsuba with a chan suffix. And then niwa is in regards to about, like about Yotsuba. Then omiyage is a gift or souvenir. Since you just came back from vacation, it's kind of expected to bring back souvenirs when you go on vacation in Japan. So he's like, where's Yotsuba? This nai is none, and then no makes this a question. So it's like, you don't have any souvenirs for Yotsuba? Oh no. Tabun is probably, kyo is today, mo is also, kuru is to come, and yo, emphasis. So she'll probably come today as well. Emphasis. What? Ah, これ、2、3、5あげよう。きっと喜ぶわ。So she's taking the easy way out. これ is this. We have ni, 2, san, 3, and ko is the counter for articles. That would be 3 things. And you could also do like niko, 2 things. And then ageyo is the volitional form of ageru, which can mean like, let's do something or I shall do something. So it's just her. Or I guess it's like we could all give her these, but it's more like from Asagi because she's the one who went on vacation. And for that, ageru, which means to give, the do that would be here, since it's ichidan, is nice and easy. That do just swaps out to yo. So ageru becomes this ageyo. It's like, I shall give her 2 or 3 of these, and that'll be just fine. So next, kito is surely. Yorokobu is to be happy or delighted. And then wa is like female emphasis. It's like, oh, she'll love that for sure. Sona tekito na. Sona is such, and this tekito is abrupt, perfunctory, sloppy, or lazy. An emphasis. It's like, oh, that's just so lazy, that's so perfunctory. You just picked out whatever was in front of you. But demo zettai yorokobu yo. So demo but zettai is definitely in our same yorokobu for happiness, but yo this time. It's interesting. Maybe she talks a little bit more in a feminine manner than Fuka. Anyway, yo for emphasis. So it's like, but she'll definitely be happy. So I guess it's fine if it's arbitrary. So ne, kitto yorokobu wa ne. Wow, the return of the wa. So is like really or appearing. Just like, that's so, that's right. The ne, emphasis, agreement. Like, oh, I'm sure that's right. I'm sure that's the case. Kitto, she's just repeating this same thing again. So kitto, surely, definitely. And then yorokobu is to be delighted, to be glad, or to be pleased. Wa, same emphasis. And ne, even more emphasis. It's like, I'm sure she'll love it. she'll definitely be happy. Poor Yotsuba, she's too simple and good for her own good. Oh, and speaking of the devil, so this is obviously Yotsuba. Konnichiwa. She's like, hello, hi. Hora, kita. So hora is hey. Kita is the past form of kuru, which means to come. And kuru is an irregular verb, so I just have to memorize that. But not many of those, so don't worry too bad. So just like, hey, she came. I told you so. It's like, ah, yay. Ah, she's so cute. Finally, Yotsuba has returned for like 1 page. Hai, dozo. Like, yes, okay. Dozo, like, please, by all means, like, hey, welcome, come in, come to our house. Oh, Yotsuba's like, yay, I'm coming in. But oh man, just as Yotsuba comes in, we are going out with a bang. This is the end of volume 2. Pyong, it's over, it's done, we've done all of it. Congratulations for sticking with me. And this is super cute at the end here, because down here this is the Genkan, the entrance, and we can see all of their shoes are lined up here, and then there's one more tiny pair. There's one more Yotsuba-sized pair of shoes added to the bunch where she comes in to munch on those little confectionery balls. Oh, and I love this too. Enjoy everything. Zenbu tanoshimu. And this Suzuku, which is to be continued, as we will also be continued, as I will be continuing on to volume 3. So please subscribe, drop a like, and I will see you in the next video. Mata ne!